Hi, Archie. Hi, baby. You're still not ready to be touched, are you? You hear the purring? He's purring, though. Oh, he almost rolled over. I'm gonna win you over, okay? It might take a long time. No, eh? But you're purring. Oh, look, it's close, right? It's close. He's starting. He almost rolled over, right? Look at you. Such a pretty kitty. Archie's so shy. Normally he's running away from me. This is an improvement, right? Baby steps with babies, right? Okay, that's probably enough, right? Yeah, you're okay. Look at that.